Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope so you all will be fine. I'm also fine, alhamdulillah. Today we are going to start a new lecture for subject chemistry, and the chapter name is electrochemistry. The word electro stand for electricity and chemistry stand for chemicals. So when we discuss about both electricity and chemicals combined together, that will become electrochemistry. So in electrochemistry we will study electricity side by side with chemicals. So let's start our reading. In introduction, they are telling about the definition of electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is a branch of chemistry that deals with the relationship between electricity and chemical reaction. It involves oxidation and reduction. Oxidation mean oxy stand for oxygen, dation mean addition. Oxidation stand for addition of oxygen and re mean removal. Reduction stand for removal of oxygen. Oxidation, addition of oxygen, reduction, removal of oxygen. It involves oxidation and reduction reaction, which are also known as redox reaction. When we combine both oxidation and reduction, that comprises two redox reaction. So redox reaction either take place spontaneously. Spontaneously mean itself. There is no need to change. They will process all the things automatically and produce electricity, or electricity is used to drive non-spontaneous reaction. Non-spontaneous reaction are that reaction that do not start itself. There must be needed something to start that reaction. So spontaneous reactions are those which take place on their own without any external agent. External agent mean outer change or outer material that is needed to start a reaction. So spontaneous don't need that type of agent, while non-spontaneous reaction are those which take place in presence of an external agent. Non-spontaneous reaction will be those which require something to start the reaction. These reactions take place in galvanic or electrolytic cell. Galvanic or electrolytic cells are types of cell in which energy is given and taken out. Electrolysis. Word electro stand for electricity and lysis mean breakdown. Electrolysis when energy will be breakdown in that reaction. Electrolysis of fused sodium chloride produce sodium metal, and that of brine solution produce sodium hydroxide. Now they are telling us about electrolytic and galvanic cell. The corrosion process of iron along with its prevention are discussed in detail. Now they will tell us detailed description of corrosion, that how metal corroded out, and prevention mean how metal prevent from corrosion. So start oxidation and reduction reaction. One concept of oxidation and reaction is based upon either addition or removal of oxygen or addition or removal of hydrogen in a chemical reaction. When we talk about chemical reaction of redox reaction, then there must be two things. First one is addition or removal of oxygen, and other thing is addition or removal of hydrogen. So according to this concept, oxidation is defined as addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen during a chemical reaction. When we talk about a chemical reaction, then there might be two possibilities. Reduction is defined as addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen during a chemical reaction. Both of these processes take place simultaneously, mean there must need no energy. In a reaction, they start itself and they start at quick rate. We say where there is oxidation, there is reduction. Definitely they are both interconnected and coordinated with each other. Let us discuss an example to understand the concept based on addition and removal of oxygen. Now we will discuss how oxidation and reduction reaction can take place. A reaction between zinc oxide zinc oxide and carbon take place by removal of oxygen. In this reaction, oxygen will be removed and the process will be reduction from zinc oxide and addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen is called oxidation to carbon. It is represented by 2 stand for balancing an equation and Zn stand for zinc oxide. So we can understand this. So in this reaction we will see that zinc oxide plus carbon. So for balancing the equation, we will put 2 here. That 2 will belong to zinc and that 2 will be same for oxygen. So we will firstly discuss the reaction of reduction, that removal of oxygen, that how removal. So this carbon will react with this oxygen and form CO2. That CO2, that 2 belong to that thing because that 2 is of whole substance. So when we will remove oxygen from, we have removed oxygen from this and that has combined with that thing. So that is removal of oxygen, that is called reduction. Reduction means removal. And that oxygen which is removed from here is added with the last one. Here that oxygen is added, so that is oxidation, addition of oxygen. So that was our lecture for today. If you have any further question, you can contact to your WhatsApp group. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.